Yes, good boy. Good boy. Yes. Okay. See these thick weeds over here? I am going to go hide on Sampson. He's going to come find me. Now this snow is really deep. It's probably like a foot deep. And he's only 9 weeks old, so it's hard for him to trek through it. Here I go. He's coming fast. Okay. I made it. Sampson! Sampson! He's trying to figure out how to get to me. Sampson! Hi! Hi! Hi, baby! Hi! Good boy! Good boy! Yes! You're a good boy! Yes, you are! Oh, yes, you are! Good boy!